I could do this shit with no effort. You know I do this shit with no effort. I could do this shit with no effort. Nigga, Shoes took a house, I took your bitch, took that hoe to town. Play my role so good after I hit, I took a ball. Take some.
Alright, y'all. Shit, Derek trying to get this wiring done so you can hear this El Camino. It's been a while, but shit, the motor in there. Shit, y'all probably can't hear me, but the motor in there. And it might fuck around and start today, right, Derek?
No.
Oh, hell no, y'all. Shit, they told me it might start, nigga. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe. Shit, you heard the man.
We ain't gonna get too excited.
No, we ain't gonna get too excited, y'all. Can't really tell y'all, honey. Can't really tell y'all. Oh, God.
Come on, you chocolate bunny.
That was the door. The door kind of messed up. I don't know what's wrong with it. You gotta lift it up and shit. There go Jordan, y'all.
Yeah.
Sideways Productions, baby.
Yeah. Go there. Sideways Production.
Look at the clock right there. About 9:30. Still here going hard on Saturday night.
Real shit, y'all. Real shit.
Hey, you know your video's gonna get messed up.
I don't got enough subscribers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we good, man. I just don't know what's going on with the El Camino.
Yeah, El Camino's almost done.
Real shit.
Extra games.
Yeah. Other than that, y'all, man, that's about it, man. I'm just informing y'all. So, stay tuned.
Okay, today on Mally's Auto Show, we put Malachi to the test. You know, we want to see if Mally can take this motor apart. You know what I'm saying? Let's see here. Malachi, how you flip the camera on this thing?
You
Okay.
Right now, I'm taking out the lifters. See, I already took off the oil pump, tube, and the tray. And take these lifters out. Take the timing chain off. You see it's very loose. That's bad. You don't want that, y'all. See this plate? You don't want that slacking plate. You need a new chain.
Yep.
But in order for me to get the cam out, I gotta take these lifters out. So when I have to pull the cam out, the lifters don't fall. So you know what I'm saying?
Yep. See what you got there. Uh-huh.
You got a bucket, son.
You can take that tray and throw that thing straight in the garbage. We don't use that.
Straight in the garbage.
Pow, right in the garbage. Come on now.
See, now,
You're gonna need
you know
a
what
pair
I'm
of
saying?
pliers
You're
for
gonna
that.
need a pair of pliers or a needle nose, whatever you can get to it. And now they will not come out easy. Just know, not everyone will come out easy. You might get some. Gonna have to do some, you know, up and down play to it. Up and down play to it.
Okay, got one lifter out, guys. One lifter out. Set it on the ground. Set it on the ground. Yep. Want to grab the most expensive wire cutters in the whole damn shop.
See, like this one. See, up and down action. And you get the lifter right up.
Next time you better grab the right stuff. I'm gonna kick your ass. Shit, take that bolt and put it with the rest of them. Where's your box at? Throw it in the box.
I got a box, y'all.
Yep, right in the box. There you go. Right in the garbage. Okay, you cruising now, you cruising. Oh, might get a job at NASCAR down the line somewhere.
See, y'all? I told you that up and down action. Should I settle down? We going to the other side.
Mally's Auto Show.
Yeah, y'all need to stay tuned.
Mally getting busy.
Really?
Uh-oh.
While y'all at it, Sideways Production. Don't forget about it.
Okay, Mally, I see you, man.
Yup.
Doing a great job there. Yep. Straight in the garbage. Yeah.
See, this is what I was talking about, y'all. Not everyone's gonna give you. Deep. Hold on.
Just keep doing what you're doing. Keep doing what you're doing.
Interrupting me, man.
I'm your daddy right now.
Spin the lifter.
I'm trying to. I need to do something better.
Yeah. Put the expensive wire cutters away. You about to mess my stuff up. So we pretty much be getting this motor ready to go out to get hot tanked and cleaned, and we're gonna strip it down to a bare block. Give me a M. Give me an A. Give me a L. Give me an I. Melly! If Melly can't do it, nobody can. Oh shit, he got it out of there.
Yeah. And man, look, y'all. Don't always be in too much of a rush, because when you're in a rush, you can, damage the valleyways and all of that other stuff. You don't want to do that. Sure don't want to do that. And that goes for the cam too, because if you take the cam out too aggressive, you could possibly pop out the bearings or nick it. And you definitely don't want to nick it. Because if you nick it, then you gotta go spend money at the shop, which some people really ain't got, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Take your time on it.
My God, you turning red. You all right?
Hell yeah. Sure.
Are you blushing for the camera?
Hell no, I'm just hot as hell. Getting hot in the shop.
Now we're gonna scoot it back a little bit. How you gonna get that cam out of there? How you gonna get that cam out of there? What's the procedure? All right.
You wanna take these bolts off?
All right, taking out the cam bolts that hold the timing sprocket. Yep, I'm gonna slide it down there.
See the trick is, right? You take these here.
Bud.
They're supposed to do that, but after you take that plate off, because the plate ain't gonna come off after you put that.
Well,
See what I'm saying? Right here, you gotta.
the plate. The backing plate. I forgot.
Yep. In the box.
These two, y'all.
In the box. Yep. Now look at that. The plate came off. Plate is out there. What's that?
See? Like I said, y'all, be gentle pulling the cam out. You know what I'm saying?
You should find a long screwdriver stick in there. Because you're gonna need a little leverage.
Grab the cam like that. Twist it.
Okay, we take the cam out now? Okay, let's see how many I gotta take the cam out. Okay. It's real quiet right now. It's really quiet
y'all. Okay.
Camera's
Cameras
up.
out, y'all. Besides taking the rods and crank out, shit, the motor ready to be sent out. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, I mean,
But anyway, y'all, that's how you disassemble an LS motor besides the crank and piston. But shit,
so
there you go.
that's how you take out the lifters, the timing chain. Well, we didn't get the oil pump on there. You just, yeah, and then we got the cam out. And there's the
Don't
cam.
lose y'all boats, man. Real shit, man. Don't lose y'all boats. It's all that's important. Shit,
Yep.
do what we did, or somehow, some way, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, there y'all go. Hey, y'all stay happy, and I'll see y'all in the next time.
I am a nigga, life is a dream. Yeah, we ain't let no hoe get between. When my diamonds speed, they say bling. Yeah, yellow diamonds, no crime scene.